Hi all, today I'm going to review this Lineway motion sensor ceiling light. This 100 watt equivalent light uses 15 watts of power to put out 1020 lumens. So this is a US standard motion sensor ceiling light. It's 15 watts and 10 inches across and will last for 30,000 hours. It puts out a bright white light using the LED technology that you can see embedded around the circle here. So this is a motion sensor light which will detect anywhere from 18 feet away at 100% power down to 9 foot away at 50%. The light will stay on anywhere from 3 seconds after it detects motion to 4 minutes after it detects motion. There are two different modes for the light. You can have a day mode where the light will always sense motion and turn on when it senses motion, or you can set it to night mode where the light will only turn on when it senses motion in the absence of other light. Finally, there's a dim setting which will allow the light to stay on at about 30% capacity until it senses motion, in which case it will turn on to full power. Or you can turn that off, so the light will be off when it doesn't sense motion and then turn completely on when it senses motion. Now let me show you how to get this light installed.